Hey, what's up, you guys? Styles here. And as you can tell, I'm in my car. But there's a good reason why I'm in my car right now. I mean, how else do you get home? Nah, but I'm just getting off work right now. It's raining hella hard. I don't know what Tony was talking about. It never rains in Southern California. It is clearly storming right now. Now, when I say storming, I mean by California standards, you know what I mean? Anyway, I've got a new camera and I wanted to test it out before I go on and try to get my vlogging channel off the ground. Or I got a new camera to do it. Hopefully I'll be posting daily. If you guys want daily content, let me know. If not, then I'll start a new channel. But I digress. So anyway, I'm on the way home. I really want to show you guys something when I get home, but before I do that, I want to ask you guys a serious question. Do you guys even craft though? And I asked that because I was watching the podcast like a couple of days ago, and one of the guests made a hot take. They stated that with the emergence of DTF, HTV as we know it is a forgotten conclusion. Myself, I don't subscribe to that notion. You guys in the comments, you guys let me know what you guys think about that. For the time being, I digress. Once you guys do comment, we'll build a dialogue from there, and we'll kind of go in depth with that one. But I thought about it for a moment, and I was like, yeah, not so much. And we'll even go into a wash test, you know what I mean? And we'll do a few examples of HTV washes as well as DTF, and then you guys can kind of formulate your thoughts if you don't have any at this moment. But again, I digress. So anyway, once we get home, we'll pick this up and I'll show you guys what I got in store. Okay, so what we have here is going to be the Cricut Easy Press Mini. And right off the bat, you can tell this thing is geared towards the crafters. Here are a few of the selling features. For unusual objects, tight spaces, hard to reach places. It's got 3 heating temperatures. A few of the features. Now, I've had my eye on this thing since I started first using the heat press, but at the time I couldn't justify such a purchase. I thought it was like a novelty item. But under the further review, I'm going to say this is going to be a must-have essential item in your toolbox, especially if you can find it on sale. You could do cool things like this. Now, when I did these, I used a heat press. But if I had one of these, that would have made things so much easier. So they've got it marketed as being mini but mighty. So we're going to put that to the test. We're going to see if we can press an entire shirt using just this item. If we can do that, that'll be a game changer. This is like a business on the go. So we're going to get this plugged in, let it heat it up, and we'll be right back with you. Alright, so we've got our design where we want it. Now we're ready to press. We're just going to take this and just firmly press. Go over it a few times. Try to get as much pressure as possible. And when you guys try this at home, you guys may want to put down a mat or something. I initially was going to use the mouse pads right there, but I ultimately chose or decided not to. The only thing this thing is missing is a timer. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and try to peel it up and see where we're at. see right here where it didn't take. So we'll just go ahead and go over it a few more times. Lift it up with the carrier sheet. And this vinyl here, I'm not sure what vinyl I'm using currently. It was just something in the bottom of my bin, my junk bucket. It's most likely going to be a Caesar Easy Weed. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and give it one more press. We're going to go ahead and use our Teflon sheet to cover up the exposed vinyl. And this gold is going to be a wallet cut express from Heat Transfer Warehouse. As always, that link is in the description below. So you want to try to make sure you get even pressure. And as far as usability, it doesn't appear to be too difficult. Really just plug and play. It's got the one button. Press it 1 or 3 times depending on your heat setting. Once again, this has been Jay Styles. You guys be kind, and I'll see you on the next one.